the birthday boy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then 3, 2, 1. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, we are assembling Lance's birthday gift. Said be quiet.
Okay, so it's Roland, your drum system.
Just like the piano.
Okay. Yeah, this was for you for your birthday before.
Yeah, and it says it right
Roland. Yes. So this is the TD-07KV drum system. And these are the accessories. Oh, that's the drum hardware. And Tito Imong and Tito Ram are our assembly guys. So we have Lance in the basement with rain, so he cannot see this secret surprise for him. And Hale is helping to unbox the box. Unbox the some parts of the drum set. Okay, so while they are assembling, Yumi can play piano. He'll give us music. Wow, what are those?
And I don't know what is next. Because that's the only part of the song I know.
Okay, you can move here, Tito. Oh, move here. Move, let's move. Move
Look,
with
this is
Yumi.
a coffin. I can go in here and sleep. Yay.
Okay, goodbye.
Good night.
Goodbye. Good night. Good night.
I'll close it. I am alive. There.
Okay, so these are all the parts. Okay, so this is the guide. Setup guide. Number 1. Check the items included. Okay. Number 2, assemble the drum stand. Okay, drum stand. 1.
I'm going to speak in this box.
Open them all.
What's your fingers? Oh, what's this? Is this a chair? Huh? Oh, a chair. No, I didn't know. I thought there's no chair.
There has to be a chair. to
Nice.
sit.
It's good I didn't buy a separate chair. Lance have been playing with the kitchen stuff.
Yes, he's been. Every time I come home from school, all I see is pots everywhere and random sticks.
Yeah, so he's been playing he's been
Pot drum.
yeah, the pot using pots for drums. Nguyog. Drum set, drum system. It's a secret. drums. What do you call these parts? What do you call these parts?
Drum parts.
Drum parts. What do you call these parts? Drum parts.
The key.
Okay.
This is the most important.
Yay!
Yeah.
I love chocolate.
Whoa. Almost done. Looks like. Wow, this is big. Big drum set.
Do you know what's gonna happen to this entire room when we buy a lot of these called the Roland? It will turn into a Roland. Because there's a lot of things called Roland.
Legland. Got the sticks. Wow. Look at this. And the brain of the drum. All the veins are being connected. Oh, all set, all done. Oh, try, Tito, try. Nakita mo, Jay. Baba na.
A few moments
Let's
later.
call the birthday boy. Surprise him with this thing.
A few moments later.
Hey, calling the birthday boy here. Happy birthday! Here for the surprise, okay? So we have this thing. Surprise secret thing in here. And the other gifts here. Okay, let's move this for now. Move these things.
Check out
Okay.
this one first.
Say, okay.
Makes so excited!
Are you ready, Will? You
Makes so
ready?
excited!
Okay, so do you have a guess what is in there?
Yes. I don't know.
You don't know?
Let's find out.
No idea. Okay.
Let's find out.
Let's see. First, let's say thank you to Tito Ram and Tito Imong for setting this up.
Yeah.
It took like probably more than an hour to set up.
I don't know.
Okay, Lance. Birthday boy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wow, are you happy? Here you go. Wow.
Before he was playing with pots.
Yes.
Yes.
Remember? You were playing with the pots every time you come home,
Yes.
and you get a stick, chopstick. He uses chopstick and a pot. Here you are. Wow, guys.
He likes the new drum.
Wow.
Also, it's made of
Wow, nice, eh?
cool.
Nice. Let's check.
Yumi got a piano and I got a drum.
Yes.
Now I got a musical instrument.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We love you. Wow.
Yes.
Show here. Look here. Wow, you happy?
Yes.
Look at that drum system. And this is Yumi's piano. Wow.
Thank you, Dada.
Si Dada and Mama, Mommy and Dada. Welcome. Be a good boy always, right? Be a good boy in school and at home.
Yeah.
Right, Lan?